to custom crate engines by Proformance Unlimited. One badass LS engine here with a Whipple Supercharger on it. This one's going to NR Hot Rods in New York. These guys are phenomenal. They give us a lot of engine builds, and I build a lot of motors for them. But this is one kick-ass motor, made 825 horsepower and 713 foot-pounds of torque. And you know what? This is only a 408 cubic inch LQ9 engine. It's got beautiful, beautiful accessories on it from Concept 1. The whole engine is custom painted black. And let me tell you something. This thing is going to get up and go. We made a dyno pull of 7,000 RPM. If the guy wants, he can take it even higher. But again, 825 horsepower, what more do you need? Hey, check us out, and don't forget to check out Nelson. Thank you. All right, Richard, I got your 56 Oldsmobile 88 engine here. Happens to be one crazy LS supercharged engine. Gonna fire it up, and we're gonna make a dyno pull.